All right, let's start with IELTS speaking. I'm going to ask you some questions. Do you work or study?
I do work. Currently, I am working. I am doing job in a advertisement agency as a digital marketing manager.
Okay, that's good. Let's take a start. I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you have to answer. How often do you go for shopping?
I like to go with shopping with my friends, families. Even I have
Families. How many families do you have? Huh?
family,
तो नहीं कीते हुए. Family.
family.
So,
Because I love to spend the most of the time with my family and friends.
okay, now listen. This time you're going to target shopping.
Shopping.
How often means frequency. How often do you go for shopping? I always go for shopping once a month, especially in the beginning of month when I get my salary, so I go for shopping. And there are two type of shoppings I usually do. Number one, grocery shopping. Secondly, I buy some clothes. So to answer your question, I go for shopping after getting my salary. That's it. Okay, ज़्यादा सोचना नहीं है और मज़े का आंसर देना है, मज़े का. Okay, like that. Let's go on. What's your favorite shopping mall and why?
Uh, my favorite shopping mall is Packages Mall because when we go there, there is a many most of the many options to buy clothes. You can even buy everything in the shopping mall in Packages Mall. You can eat every kind of food. So, do you like if you like to eat chicken? Do you like to eat fast food? Do you like to eat?
Okay, now you're asking all these questions. Do you like to eat? Do you like to eat? Means if you
If
like
you
to
like to,
eat,
if you like,
if you like to drink, if you like to watch, if you like,
if
not
you
do
like
you
to.
like. You need to work very hard with your sentence structure, grammar, and all that. Let's go on. Do you look for bargains or sales when you go for shopping, like 30% off, 50% off, and all that? Do you wait for that?
No, I can't wait for that because I learned this thing from my father. When I go to the any shopping mall, any shop to buy to buy anything, so just I ask for the price and pay for that and just go. And
Okay, you're doing a lot of that is lack of fluency. Okay,
so first time है तो वो थोड़ा
don't
सा
worry, you'll be fine, inshallah. Okay,
confidence.
let's go on. What do you dislike about shopping?
Uh, yes, every people
Every
most.
person. Listen, when the question is what do you dislike, don't say every person. It's indirect answer. Well, I don't like crowds of people whenever I go for shopping. Sometimes shopping malls are full of people at the weekend. I really don't like that. Don't say some people don't like. Talk about yourself. It's speaking part one. So your irrelevant answer will cost you a lot in part one. Now, let's start again. What do you dislike about shopping?
I dislike about
Now,
shopping.
I said dislike. Now you should say either I don't like, or you should say I hate, or you should write say any other word which is for dislike. If you use the same word, you demonstrate low vocabulary or normal vocabulary. So, what do you dislike about shopping?
I mostly don't like to shopping as a when uh,
I don't like paying for the things when I go for shopping. Yeah, I buy the things, but when I pay the money, my hands shiver like this. So I don't like paying for shopping or anything like that. Okay. So come up with ideas, go through the book, and be confident. Answer every question as if you're talking to a friend in a friendly way. Right? Okay. Thank you.
thank you very much.